interview question holding that. Do you have any questions?
Now, this question
Now,
is
this
being
question
asked
is being asked
to give you the
to give
chance
you
to
the
find out
chance to
more
find
about the
out more
role and
about the role
company,
and the
and also
company,
to ensure
and
the
also to
position is
ensure the
right for
position
you.
is right for you.
Now, I recommend
Now,
you
I recommend
choose
you
three
choose
questions
three
to ask
questions to
from the
ask
list of
from the
seven
list of
that
seven
I am about
that
to
I
give
am
you.
about to give you.
These questions
These
will
questions
impress the
will
interviewer.
impress the interviewer.
Do you have
Do you have
any
any
questions?
questions?
What advice
What
would you give
advice
to
would you
the
give to
successful
the
candidate
successful
who wants to
candidates who
excel in
wants
their
to
work from the
excel
company?
in their work from the
What
company? What
opportunities for
opportunities
training
for
and development
training
will
and
there be in
development
this
will
role?
there be in this role?
What's the best thing
What's
about
the
working
best
here?
thing about working
What
here?
challenges
What
are the team
challenges
currently
are the team
facing?
currently
And what
facing?
can I do
And
in
what can
this
I do
role
in
to
this
help
to
overcome
help
them?
overcome it?
Is there any
Is there
additional
any
information I
additional
can read
information I
to
can
learn more
read
about the
to learn
company
about the
while I
company
wait to hear the
while I
result
wait
of
to
my
hear the
interview?
result of my interview?
Who would I be
Who will
accountable
be
to in the
accountable
role,
to in
and
the
how
role, and
often are
how often
performance
are
reviews
performance
conducted? And
reviews
finally,
conducted? And
what is
finally,
it
what
that the
is
top
it that
performing
the top
employee can do
performing
in the company
employee
to
in the
achieve
company to
success?
achieve
I
success?
recommend you
I
choose
recommend
three
you choose
questions
three
from that
questions
list of
from
seven
the list
to
of
ask
seven
the hiring
to
manager.
ask the
Okay,
hiring manager. Okay,
that's everything from
that
me.
is
Now, the
everything
next thing to
complete.
do
Now the
is
next thing to do
download the
is
answers and
download
the
the
tips
answers
by
and
clicking
tips
that link
by
in the
clicking
top
that link
right
in
hand
the top
corner of
right
the
hand
video,
corner of
going
the
through
video.
to my
Going
website,
through to my website,
pathmyinterview.com,
pathmyinterview.com.
and you can instantly
You can
download
easily
these
download
slides and the
these
full pack
slides
of
and the
answers
full
and
pack of
tips.
answers
You can
and
have
tips.
them within
You can
your
have them
inbox
within your
in
inbox
2 minutes
within two
from
minutes
now.
from now.
Make sure you get
Make
this
sure
guide.
you get
It
this
will
guide.
help you pass
You will help
every
you
job
pass
interview
every job
you
interview
ever
you
attend.
ever attend.
Don't forget to hit the
Don't forget
subscribe
to hit
button,
the subscribe
give the
button.
video a like,
Give the
and
video a
also
like
connect
and
with
also
me
connect
on
with me
LinkedIn.
on
I have
LinkedIn.
put
I
my
have put my
LinkedIn link
LinkedIn link
in the description
in
below the
the
video. As
description
always,
below
an
the video. It's
absolute
always an
honor
absolute
and
honor
a pleasure
and a
to
pleasure
connect with
to
like-minded
connect with
professionals such
recommended
as yourself.
professionals such as
Don't forget to
yourself.
also
Don't
tell me
forget
the
to
name of the
also tell
job
me the name
that
of
you
your
are
job
applying
you
for
are
in the
applying for
comments,
in the
and I will give you
comments.
some extra
Now I will
tips.
give you some
I wish
extra
you all the
tips.
best
I wish you all the
getting
best
hired.
for getting
Have a
for
great
getting
day.
hired. Have a good day.
In this training